channel. Welcome to Audriella's Castle. You are looking at the first YouTube video, and I started this channel. Honestly, it's been on my heart for the longest time. I am an avid fan of many YouTubers that just bring Disney magic to you at home when you're unable to travel to either sides of the coast. So I decided for my birthday to buy myself a Bibbidi Bobbidi box. Seen many openings of these. They're amazing items. The packaging is just gorgeous, and I needed to get one. And so I gifted myself this box. I ended up getting the ultimate box, which was $119 plus shipping. I went big. I went for the big box. Let's go. Let's get that Disney magic. It's my birthday. I'm looking forward to continuing with this subscription, whether I continue with the ultimate box or whether I continue with a smaller option that they do have. I really hope to continue this. So just want to say, full disclaimer, I did purchase this box myself. I am also coming forward with you with a lot more content. This is not gonna stop. I absolutely love it. I've been talking for the past 2 minutes and I have a lot to say, and I would love to share Disney magic with all of you out there. So let's get started. So if you look, it's one kind of the medium-sized boxes. I was expecting the larger box, not gonna lie. But I'm a true believer of big things come in small packages. So really looking forward to this and to see exactly what's inside. So I haven't been to a Disney park since 2017. So as you can tell, oh my gosh, I am loving the Disney magic. Look at that. Happy 35th birthday. Okay, so you guys know how old I am. I'm a kid at heart, but absolutely. Thank you so much, Bibbidi Bobbidi Box, and making it so personal for my birthday and taking that leap. I already feel that much special. So again, I know they come up with a different card every season. So it's Happy Spooky Season and Happy Fall. Just because I cannot see it does not mean I can't believe it, which is Jack Skellington. And it's got a picture here of Daisy Duck as Maleficent, which I'm so excited because I think we're going to see Maleficent tomorrow at the movie theater. And so, as you know, it is spooky season. I call it Disney villain season. And if you can tell in my backdrop, I brought out a lot of my favorite deco, especially Haunted Mansion. You can go all out Haunted Mansion this season. Haunted Mansion season. So there's a great postcard. It's also, spoiler alert, I know what these are. I learned very well. So we will definitely take a look at this later. I'll also be sharing with you what I put on my preferences, and we can compare it to what I got today. So let's break the seal. And like always, packing. Oh my goodness, yes! Look at this. I think these are, correct me if I'm wrong. No, I don't think these were the Princess Jasmine ones. I think these are just the teal and pink headband. So I am wearing my multicolored silver ears, and this is a great addition to my collection. It's got that beautiful pink bow, it's got the teal ears, and again, it is a Disney park set of ears, so these come straight to the parks. So thank you, ladies, very, very much. I'm growing my collection, so definitely love a pair of ears. Let's see next. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going for something that caught my attention really quick. And I am pulling this out, and it looks like it is a Disney Loungefly seashell. Oh my gosh, look at this. You guys didn't even know that I absolutely love side purses. I love that good satchel. It is gorgeous. I absolutely love the Little Mermaid, and actually in my living room right now I have one little spot that I change up every season, and right now I actually have all of the 35th anniversary pops and Little Mermaid things up. I've just went on a Little Mermaid kick with the new live action coming out. Oh, this is amazing. You guys totally hit it. And then the rose gold chain. Look at all that glitter too. That is gorgeous, and it is a perfect size. I'd like to say hopefully we'll be using this to the park soon, and it is a perfect for a little wallet, your camera, hand sanitizer, and this I could just wear on a cute little day, so thank you so much. Next is a patch, and actually I am looking into making my own jean jacket, maybe do a DIY pretty soon. It's actually a really great quote from one of my favorite princesses, which is Rapunzel. And she says, best day ever. She's waiting for the best day ever. But in this case, I believe this is Disney. This is a Walt Disney World. I think it's a Walt Disney World castle. It's a purple patch. It's got iridescent in the back. It's stitched out. It's so pretty. This is a perfect addition. Thank you. Okay, so next is a showcase item. I'm not going to look because I know like on one of these sides that kind of previews you what this is. Okay, I kind of already read what it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, hold on. Oh, it's designed by Miss Mindy. Oh, it is a cute it's flounder. Oh, this is one of the cutest. So the world of Miss Mindy, that's what it is. The world of Miss Mindy has these very psychedelic, retro, artistic designs on all of these little, look at Flounder. He is actually enjoying Under the Sea. He's winking and he's got a heart in his other eye. This is absolutely precious. And it'll go perfect behind me once I convert it back into a daily Disney background. This is so cute. I love little figurines, and sometimes I take them to my office to add a little Disney touch, and so I like to change out some of my deco in my office as well. So this is perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm not quite sure. Okay, it looks like there's one more item in the box, and I think that is it. Oh, it's my birthday, and then they put Audrey. This is the cutest pin, and you know what? I'm not in the parks, and who says I can't wear it around on my birthday? So, this is amazing. Thank you for getting one of me park pins. I'm not sure if this is, I don't think this is a park, okay, I see the background. This has to be from Park Bound Buttons. I absolutely love her. I have my own set. Anytime one speaks to me, I have to get one. And you know what? I actually don't have one for my birthday. I don't think I've ever been to the parks for my birthday either. So this is a first for me. So it looks like that's it. That's everything that I got in the box. So let me find that spoiler card now. Okay, got it. So we open it up. It's kind of like a little packing slip. The Disney Mindy figure was $30, which was a little flounder winking at you. Also, the rose gold mermaid shimmer shell crossbody was $56. Disney Parks iridescent mint. It's mint. I keep saying teal. It's mint and pink. Bow ears. Those are $27.99. You have Disney Parks exclusive patch, best day ever, $9.99. And a Park Bound button, which is Cupcake, it's my birthday, that was $4. So if you add it all up, The retail value was $127.98. So I did pay $119 for this, so it is overvalued. I absolutely adore what these ladies have done. Like I said, just bringing that magic to your own home, getting you excited for your next trip. So by the time you go back to your next Disney trip, you are equipped. It's like you've gone, you know, at least every month, and you've got the trendy stuff from the parks. It is just amazing. So I can't thank the creators enough from this box for giving us this opportunity to purchase this wonderful birthday present for myself and to continue. And now, looking forward to Halloween, we're definitely going to look forward to the next box. So lots of Little Mermaid items. Absolutely in love with a new pair of ears. Miss Mindy, that is actually my first Miss Mindy item, and I couldn't have been happier. So thank you for following me along today. If you made it this far, I hope you loved the box. I'd love to hear below on what was your favorite item. So what was your favorite item? What did you love about the box? Was there anything you hadn't seen in there before? I had never seen that crossbody or that Miss Mindy. I've only seen a couple of her larger items. I've never seen the cute little tiny ones, which I actually love the tiny ones more than the big ones. So I'll be back. I did it. It took me a long time to get here. I hope you guys continue on my journey. I absolutely love opening blind boxes, blind bags, anything mystery-esque. I'm hooked. And then have it Disney, even more. So thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you continue to follow along my journey. I wish you such a magical day. Enjoy the rest of your week and keep on smiling. Bye, guys.